Hi everyone. Well, this is going to be a sad news today. Oh, the sun's up. This will be the last video of this mature male P. Cancerides, Haitian brown breeder, Dmitri, who instantly became a star in many of my feeding videos. Yeah, so Adam wants to use him for a breeding project with one of his females. I tried mating this guy last night. If you saw the mating video, it wasn't successful with both females. I know potentially Isabella could be gravid, and Jezebel just doesn't want anything to do with him. So anyway, today is just going to be a shipping video, how to ship tarantulas. I actually kind of forgot, but thank goodness for me, I have video archives. I looked at my older shipping videos and I found out, okay, it's not too bad. So what you're going to need is, of course, the tarantula. I'm going to be using this, I think 20-ounce deli container, which I'm going to put the spider in. I have a little perfect box for it, so it just fits nice and snug. Some newspapers to cover up the areas, because you know when it's going to ship, it's going to shake, and you don't want that because it's going to hurt the tarantula. And of course, some paper towels to make a nice cushion for him in case something bad happens. And because it's about 23 to 27 degrees this week, I don't really need a cool pack. However, I don't want it to dry up, so I am going to be using warm water. I'm just going to lightly mist it so that way I have some degree of humidity in there, because I do want him to arrive safely to his place. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open up the container, and I just want to make sure that you can see what I'm doing in this video. Yes you can. Okay. So piece by piece, I'm just going to make layers around it. So I'm going to fold it this way and push it down so he has a nice comfy floor. Okay, so that's one layer. I'm going to make as many layers as I can, because I don't want to eat up too much room, because he is a pretty big spider. Okay, maybe this way, fold it this way here. Okay. Again, I'm going to fold it in third here. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I might do one more. Whoopsie. Okay, fold it in half. Alright. Alright, that should be snug for him. Okay, now what I'm going to do is give it some moisture. You don't want it too wet. Okay, so I think that should be okay. Okay, now time to get the spider. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is going to coax them in. Whoa. Still has a bad attitude, given his age. Come on, buddy. There we go. All right. Okay, so now that he's in, I'm just going to maybe, let me fix my tripod a little bit here. Yeah, just make him go inside fully. Come on, baby. Good boy. So make sure that he's all the way inside. Nice and snug, okay. Now what I'm going to do is make a lid for him. I'm just going to maybe give it some moisture just to pack it in. Pack it in, pack it in. Okay, and another one. All right, so now the spider is all packed in well. Now make sure when you're shipping a spider like this, make sure you have some ventilation holes. I have ventilation holes all around here. I'm not sure if you can actually see. Let me just put it on macro. That is on macro. Yeah, I got some ventilation holes all around, so there should be no problem. Okay. Now once the spider is all packed, put it in the box. And of course, I don't like this here, the way it is, because it's pretty loose and, you know, shipping, the dangers of shipping is that the tarantula can get hurt. So I want to try to prevent that by putting some newspaper in between the cracks, so that way he's fine. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take newspaper, wrap it up really well. Oop. And dunk it here. There's this hole here. I want to cover that up with a little bit more. Just let me get, see what I'm doing here. Okay, it looks pretty snug right now. Get that last bit off there. Still pretty loose. Okay. That's pretty secure. Okay, so that looks pretty secure, as you can see. The spider really can't move, and the box can't move, so now what I'm going to do is take another one and just cover it up here. Make sure it's packed very tight. And that's pretty much it. So close this up. Now what you want to do is maybe put some tape here and just put your shipping information. His name goes in the middle and your name and your address goes on the top left. And what you want to do is when you're shipping tarantulas, you should be paying the overnight to 2 days. You don't want to be cheap and use the 7-day shipping fees because your spider is not going to make it and it's going to be a dead away and it's not going to look good on you. So I'm going to use the overnight shipping. I'll have to pay like, I think it's somewhere between $12 to $15 to go to Ontario, and that's about it. So good luck to Dmitri. I know he's probably going to seduce one of his females, and hopefully if he's done with them, maybe he'll send it back to me and I'll try to mate Jezebel one more time if she's willing to have a go at it again. Alright everyone, that's the video. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more vids.